Welcome back, nail family. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my God. Well, the moment I've been waiting for anyways. Glitter Planet unboxing. Yes, this is one of 3 that I've ordered. The other 2 should be here very soon. And I will do another unboxing. I'm going to go through each thing, swatch, and at the end I will do some nails for you guys using the products, some of the products that are in this unboxing. Now my plan is to do a video with a set of nails using each one of these glitters and acrylics. Well, it's going to be several videos, but my plan is to use each and every one of these glitters in a video so you guys can see. So let's get right in here. Okay, so I didn't have enough room because my camera stand was in the way for that big box, so I just took everything out. These here are my flexi tips. There's 500 of them in a pack. I got them for my red iguana hand because I spent $200 on the dang thing, and I didn't want to spend any more money on the tips, so I ordered some off of Amazon, and them stinking things were way too big, and I don't know, they didn't fit right. So I seen on Glitter Planet's website that they had these tips for their hand, which I would have seen before, or I wish I would have seen it before because I would have gotten that one because it was a lot cheaper. And right here, I got the pre-pinch square nail tips, 500 in this pack too. I've never had square tips before, and I never had the like super pinched. So I want to try them out. And also the length of nails that I have right here, that's, well, I've gone a little longer than these, but not by much. So today when I do this set and using these tips, this is actually going to be the longest set of nails I've ever done. So bear with me. Okay, now I'm getting my acrylic powders out, and let me tell you, these acrylic powders, oh my God, what have I been doing with the acrylic that I have? Because I'm serious, like this stuff is so easy to use, it's crazy. I always hear the nail fairy talk about, oh, it's like butter. Here's the Mint Ninja right here. So pretty. I'm going to use this color for the nails at the end of this video. But she always talks about how it's just like butter going on. And I hear what she's saying, but you don't know until you use some really good acrylic. This is the Showgirl. They're 10-gram pots. You can get a bigger pot. I can't remember what the amount is with the bigger ones, but I'm a cheapie, so I got little ones. And plus, I really don't do acrylic that much. I do polygel. This is Houdini. It's black, and it has like a, kind of like a blue shimmer. You can't really see it in the video, but it's really pretty too. But like when you use the acrylic, even if you get too dry of a bead, you want to make sure that it's wet on the end of it when you place it on. Otherwise, you're going to get lifting and all sorts of stuff. But when I was doing the swatching, this is Bejeweled, the micro shards. So pretty. Come in its own pot. The glitters come in little baggies. But yeah, when I was swatching, I accidentally got it a little dry, and I just put some monomer on there, and it worked perfectly. Yeah. Here's all the glitters. Oh my God. What is wrong with me? Like a crazy person when look at me. I'm freaking out on it. Contain yourself. This is Bewitched. This is Bonbon. Lola. They're all so pretty. Blue iridescent dots. Infinity. I'm Royalty. All 5 grams. Gold shards. Boss chick. Because, you know, the boss. UV rave. Pretty. Red velvet. Black dots. Lilac delight. Aurora dots. Sky blue delight. I should have got the mint colored delight too. Silver lights. I can't remember all the glitters I got. I can't wait. I think tomorrow they're coming. Overrated. That's the one I'm going to be using. And okay, this is the brush that I'm going to be using. I got off of Amazon. It comes in the black box, and it also came with this detail brush. I absolutely love them. I think it was like $24. It's a size 8. I'm going to use the Mia Secret monomer. Okay, first I'm going to be doing Houdini. Give that a little swatchy. Then we have Showgirl. Very, very sparkly. I love it. Sparkly white. Hey girl, hey. To the Mint Ninja. I am so sorry for the glare. I do not know what's going on. I think it was a lot better when I put the blue down, when I did the glitter. The Mint Ninja is so satisfying. And there they are in all their glory. Ooh. I was trying to show you the shimmer that's in this black. It's really pretty, but you can't really see can't see it that good, but it's pretty. Take my word for it. Okay, guys, so before I get to swatching the glitters, oh my God, my favorite part. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. Anyways, I had placed an order with Glitter Planet back in the fall time, Halloween time, and that was my first order that I did with them. And these are the colors that I had already, or the glitters that I already swatched. I just wanted to real quick show you guys these. This is After Dark, which is really pretty. I did a set of nails with this one. I wish it would focus better. But this is After Dark, and this is Pearl Fire. Very pretty. And you can use this with like lots of colors. I thought that it would just be like a fall Halloween kind of thing, but no, you can use it with many different colors, and it looks super pretty. And this one is Chocolate Fudge. Like half of these I haven't been able to use yet, so I'm gonna have to do some sets and record it for you guys. This one is Forest Floor. I also use this. I think I used this with this. If I can find the picture, I'll post it on the video here for you. This is Hot Cocoa. Super pretty. Chunky. It has a couple different sizes in it. There's not real tiny ones in there, but you can see right there. That's the smallest size of glitter that's in this mix. And this one is Orange is the New Black. Very cute. It has blues in it, oranges. This one is super good for, it also has green and yellow. It's good for Halloween and fall time. This is the Rose Gold. Y'all gotta have a little rose gold in your life. This has tons of different sizes in it. Not tons, but it's the smaller sizes, not the huge chunks like this one. I think it's a very pretty mix. This is the 4K Gold. I've used this a lot in some of my other videos. And this is Metallic Wine. I haven't been able to use this one yet. Haven't had a chance. Super pretty, different sizes. I'm dying to use this. Orange Delight. I think these matte ones are so cool. The ones that I'm gonna swatch today, I have some of those matte ones that are like this in the same collection. But yeah, those are the ones that I already had. And now let's get to swatch. Today, while I'm doing the swatches, I'm gonna use the Neo Nails Crystal Clear acrylic. That's the clearest one that I have out of all my clears. I wanted to tell you, when I started doing nails, which was in February of last year now, 2020, the very first brush that I got, and it's still my favorite, and it's not expensive, was the Mia Secret. And you can see it looks all beat up, and you can't even see the letters. But it was a size 8. And look how long this is. This is what I like. The bristles are long. This is my Model 1s, and this is a size 8. It's just smaller. I just like how big it is. But lately I've been using this one. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like $25 or something like that. But anyways, I like the Mia Secret so much that I ended up getting a size 10 too. I just wanted to show you guys the differences in that. So I'm not sure on what brush I'm going to use yet, but you will see. Anyways, when I started doing nails, I originally ordered the polygel kit. So I started out doing polygel, and then as I watched YouTube videos and seen all the amazing stuff they have for nails, which I was oblivious to. I wish I would have found out all this stuff like forever ago. But anyways, I ended up getting into acrylic and did that. That was my favorite for a while. And lately I've been doing polygel again. I haven't done acrylic for a while, so I'm kind of excited to do some more acrylic. But anyways, I'm going to go through all these glitters, and I already labeled the pots. I got these off of Amazon. And I'm going to dump them in here so you can see them in here, and then I will swatch each of them. And then at the end, I'll just show you all of them together. So this is the Aurora dots. And each of these bags, it comes in a 5-gram bag. So I tried to find the pots that would hold all of them, but some of these bags look like there's a lot more in them than the other ones, which they go by the weight. So it just depends on how heavy or thick the glitters are, I mean. But there she is. Aurora. Lovely. Next glitter is the blue iridescent dots. Okay, the blue iridescent. Oh, it's so pretty. They're all so pretty. I'm thinking, oh goodness, what set am I gonna do? Which glitters am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to do a set for every single glitter, I think. But those are gonna have to be different videos. I will just have one set on this video. Maybe two, we will see. black dots. Oh, I can't wait until the rest of my glitters get here. I'm so stinking excited. So excited. Dump these babies in here. See, it looks like there's more in this one. Huh. Yeah. That's weird. But I ain't gonna complain about it. Black dots. Now for the beautiful Lola. And there she is in the pot. Jen, if you're watching this video, we seriously need to do some black nails. Okay, let's swatch this. Rated. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's pastels on there and there's neon colors. That's cool. Neat. Okay, now we are moving on to the shards, and I can already tell definitely these gold shards are not gonna fit in this little pot that I got, but that's okay. Ooh, so excited. I have gold mylar, I have silver mylar, I have many different colors of mylar, but I do not have these tiny little shards of them. Whoa, easy. Easy girl. There you go. Gold shards. Look how much I still have left. My gold shards. It's like all filled up. That's awesome. I want to show you the difference between the shards and the regular Mylar chunks. Get them out here. 1 second. I'll be right. Okay, see, I got these from Neo Nails. They're Mylar. But I don't know if you can see how big those chunks are compared to all this. It's all broken up. Very nice. Very nice. Seriously, when I found out about Glitter Planet, oh, let me tell you, I was so excited. I spent forever looking at all of their glitters. I mean, they're all so unique. You don't really see them like that anywhere else. I mean, now you do, since they've come out. You can see them here and there starting to come out of the woodwork. But Glitter Planet, I love you guys. Now this one here is the Bejeweled, and these are the micro shards. These are even smaller than the gold shards. Oh, it's so stinking shiny that the camera doesn't even pick it up very good. But this already comes in its own pot, so I don't have to worry about making a mess with that one. I'm going with the UV Rave, and I also ordered, it's not here yet, but I ordered something that's kind of like this, only it's the real fine. I can't remember what it's called. Something lights. You'll see when I get it and add it with this video. But I think it's so neat that when the light shines on that, it turns purple. I don't really care for like the yellow look that it has, but when you put it on like pinks and darker colors like that, you can't really, it's not really that bad, but I just think it's so cool. Every time I do a set of my nails, I want to use, because I have some shards that are like this, or not shards, Mylar chunks, and but they're such big pieces. So when I seen this, I was like, yes, just little bitty pieces would be good to give it like an accent. There she is. Look at her sparkle shine. Swatchy. Next we have Silver Lights. Looks like it's a white glitter with some silver glitter in it. Ooh, I can't wait to see this. Can't wait. Looks like all of that fit right in there nicely. Shiny, shiny beauty. There's something in there. Got it. Okay, let's swatch. Okay, now we got the infinity, which I actually did a set of nails last night with this glitter in it. I'll send you a picture. Or not send you. I'll post it on here, is what I mean. So pretty. It's very, very shimmery. Whoa! Don't waste the glitter. As you can see, very, very shimmery. All over. Okay. There she is. Oh my goodness, look at that. So pretty. Okay, next we are doing I Am Royalty. I've been pretty excited about this one too. It's just so unique. There's so many different types of glitter mixed in with this one. So exciting. This is like a princess kind of glitter, it looks like. Or you could do like birthday nails or something with it. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. That is stunning. Next, we have Boss Chick. Duh, I have to get that one. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. There's like, the fine color is blue and pink. Usually you see multiple thicker glitters, or chunkier glitters, but not the fine. Oh wow, it's so cool. They mix together and it's like, has like a purple hue. Okay, I'm not gonna fit all that in that one either. Look at that. Oh my God. So pretty. Very pretty. Onto Lilac Delight, which is like that Orange Delight that I told you, or that I showed you earlier. I also have the Sky Blue Delight that we're going to be doing. Oh, I just love matte glitters. I mean, it kind of looks matte, but there's some shine to it. I don't know, it's just so cool to me. There's different size glitter in this, and I was looking at it really close. Probably can't see it on here, but the fine glitters that's in there, it's like a dust. It's super fine. Like super duper fine. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it now. Sky Blue Delight. Beautiful. Guys, the amount of glitter that I have on myself, oh my god. It's insane. In my hair, I found some in my armpit, on my face. Now we got the bonbon. Every time I look at this, it makes me think of like a baby shower or something. Or the reveal. Gender reveal nails would be a good idea with this. Not for me though. 3 kids, I'm good. A boy and 2 girls. My youngest is almost 2, February. Can't believe it. She's a freaking wild animal. A cute little wild animal. Human. That is so pretty though, look at that. perfect for Valentine's. Oh my goodness. Wow. It looks like rubies. That's what they should have named it. Look at that. Oh my God. I think that the red glitter is always so beautiful. It always looks like stones. I don't know. That's my opinion. Look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at it? Now, this is the last one. Well, it's not going to be the last one, but until I get the rest of my orders in. This is the Bewitched. It has lots of different sized stars, it looks like. Blue and, oh, the purple kind of has like, oh, what was the other color? The one that's yellow and has that purple shine to it. Oh, the UV ray. UV rave. Looks like some of the little stars in here are like that. Woo! Crap. Well, the thing that sucks is that the little ones, like the real fine glitter, is all the way in the bottom. So I didn't get any in the jar. So bear with me for a second, because I really want those in there. Okay. Oh my. Yep, definitely can't fit all that in there. This would be good for Halloween, definitely. Cute. See, there's one of the stars. That's like the UV rave. Looks like all different kinds of shapes in here. And some massive chunks. This one is definitely going to be tricky to swatch, but I'm going to take a crack at it. Okay, and here they all are, guys, in their beautiful, magnificent, spectacularly sparkly glory. Look at them shine. Look, I know I promised a tutorial at the end of this, but guys, it's super late. And sometimes my stuff doesn't save on here when I spend all this time editing. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this, and I will edit my tutorial in the morning, and I will post that tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment which one is your favorite. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.